Hey folks, it's Steve Cal5JUF. So today this is a follow-up video on some demos of some live QSOs that I made on the Diamond CP610 antenna. There's a picture of it right there. Again, it's about 30 feet up in the air. And then of course the whip on top of it's another 22 feet. And then of course you've got the radials. So here's a different picture of it also. But I want you to hear some of the QSOs. So stand by and we'll get the video rolling with some live QSOs. Thanks again for watching. All right, guys, we're back in front of the radio. We got the new antenna up, so let's see what we got going on here.
CQ, this is Yankee 2, Whiskey Echo Delta.
Okay, power's at 75 watts, which is fine. We'll run the antenna tuner real quick. This new antenna, it's pretty good all the way across the band. Let's see if we can get this guy. Yankee 2, Whiskey Echo Delta.
Okay, I copy. Call it.
Yes, sir. This is Kilo India 5, Juliet Uniform Foxtrot, calling CQ to Yankee 2, Whiskey Echo Delta. This is Kilo India 5, Juliet Uniform Foxtrot.
Okay, I copy Kilo India 5, Juliet. Repeat.
Kilo India 5, Juliet Uniform Foxtrot. Kilo India 5, Juliet Uniform Foxtrot.
Okay, I copy. Yeah, it's very nice your song. Kilo India 5, Juliet Uniform Foxtrot. Nice to meet you. My name is Adrian from Venezuela. Your signal is QSO.
Yeah, copy that. Very nice to meet you also. The name here is Steve, Sierra Tango Echo Victor Echo. I'm talking on an FT991A with an M100 microphone with a Diamond MP, Diamond 610 vertical 10 meter, 6 meter vertical antenna 30 feet up in the air. Looks like the band's starting to drop a little bit. Let's see if we can catch him one last time. Copy that. Yankee 2, Whiskey Echo Delta from Kilo India 5, Juliet Uniform Foxtrot. Yankee 2, Whiskey Echo Delta from Kilo India 5, Juliet Uniform Foxtrot 73 and Happy DX. Yeah, the band's starting to drop a little bit. So what we're going to do here, we're going to go down 10 kilohertz. See?
I can't find anymore. IRCs, you find that they don't take IRCs in a lot of post offices. They have to stamp, so then you have to send green stamps, which you're really breaking the law doing. But
Somebody's already told you.
I'll pay with PayPal. Some people send and receive PayPal payments for QSL cards. Anyway, that's one of the ways of doing it.
That's Australia or New Zealand.
When my log's running and then I computer's back, I'll have it running again. It also loads to...
Here's somebody right there. Let's go find him. He is 5, 10, 15 kilohertz up.
CQ10. This is Charlie Echo 3, Yankee Golf. Charlie Echo 3, Yankee Golf. Calling CQ, standing by.
Station again, QRZ. This is Kilo India 5, Juliet Uniform Foxtrot.
Uniform software completely, please. Uniform software completely to South America. Charlie Echo 3, Yankee Germany.
Copy that. Charlie Echo 3, Yankee Germany. You have Kilo India 5, Juliet Uniform Foxtrot here in Abilene, Texas. The name is Steve.
Uniform software, okay. Where is Eduardo near the capital, Santiago de Chile. This countryside, 50 kilometers to Santiago de Chile. Between the Pacific Ocean and the Los Andes mountain range. Go ahead, please.
Very good, very good. Nice to make the contact with you. Charlie Echo 3, Yankee Golf from Kilo India 5, Juliet, Uniform Foxtrot 73, and Happy DX.
Okay, also for you, my friend, 73, report something here in South America.
Okay, copy that. Sorry, signal report, I've got you 4x4. Yeah, I forgot the signal report. So let's go see what we can find. We got another one working up here. So you see how these things are showing up there. There. Notice how quiet the floor is. It's not that bad. Here's one right here. Let's see if we get this one. Let's see what's going on here. I forgot to write the frequency down. Let's see.
Okay, no problem at all. No problem. Whiskey 5 Papa Charlie J69Z.
I'm going to turn on the DNR here for a minute. See if we can find something else down here. There, we got something right there. Let's go get it. See how we see him in the waterfall? Station calling QRZ. Somebody's already got him.
Whiskey 5 Papa Sugar. Good morning, son. And your Caledonia. This is Fox Kilo 4, United Japan.
Yeah, somebody already got him. Let's move up a little bit.
Papa Uniform 2, Uniform, Bravo Yankee. This is Lucia, Juliet, Echo Mike.
Here's one right there. Let's see what we got going on here. There's one right there.
Hotel 759. Okay, November number 2, Juliet. This is Lima, United number 1, Hotel Japan. My name, or yours in English, living as in the country. 57, your report signal. I know Jack is the name. November Papa 2, Juliet, Lima, United 1, Hotel Japan, Sierra. Hotel Lima United 1, Hotel Japan Sierra. You were 5 and 9, 59. Okay, I very much first contact with I okay. Não, tá saindo bem aí, Toninho. Aqui, ó, vou tirar minha antena agora, começar a tirar aí de cima da sua estação. Alô, Toninho, aí, tirei bastante aí de cima da sua estação. Virei pra outra parada ali. Ô, Toninho, o negócio é o seguinte, my friend. Você falou ontem, o negócio da sua aposentadoria, eu esqueci de lhe falar, hein. Aqui mais antes pingar do que secar, hein, Toninho. Você fica na expectativa disso ou daquilo, cara. Vai acabar, o negócio demora tanto.
Can't understand him. Yes. Which one?
About 45 Celsius. It gets pretty warm, but since you're near the ocean, it's probably...
Let's go get this guy here.
Okay, Doc, 73J69Z, QSO. Juliet 69 Zulu, J69 Zulu, Juliet 69 Zulu, Juliet 69 Zulu, QSO. Juliet 69 Zulu, Juliet 69 Zulu, J69 Zulu, QSO.
Juliet 69 Zulu, this is Kilo India 5, Juliet, Uniform Foxtrot.
Zulu, QSO.
Juliet 69 Zulu, this is Kilo India 5, Juliet, Uniform Foxtrot.
Juliet, United and the Fox. How you doing, Owen?
I think he came back to me.
Hey, Steve, go ahead, Owen.
Yes, this is Kilo India 5, Juliet, Uniform Foxtrot. The name is Steve.
Yeah, no problem, Steve. How you doing, Owen?
That's pretty good. I'm doing great. Can I get your call sign again? I've got Juliet 69Z. Is that QSO?
100%, my friend, Owen.
Okay, very good. Well, very nice to meet you. My name is Steve. I've got you coming in 5x5. I'm in Abilene, Texas, and you're sounding real good.
Yeah, you're 5 and 9, 59, Owen.
Yeah, copy that, the 5 and 9. Sounds good. Very good. Well, I'll let you go. I'll let you get back to it. Juliet 69 Zeta from Kilo India 5, Juliet, Uniform Foxtrot 73, and Happy DX.
You said I was 5x5 was my report, Roger. Kilo India 5, Juliet, United Fox. My report, over.
Yeah, I've got a report on you. I've got you 5x5, 5x5. QSO?
Okay, for the 5 and 5, no problem. 100% 59, 5 and 9, solid through 5 and 9, Roger.
Yeah, copy that. Sounds good. Juliet 69 Zeta from Kilo India 5, Juliet Uniform Foxtrot. Thanks for the contact, and 73, Happy DX.
73, Juliet 69 Zulu, QSO.
Very cool. Okay, we'll wrap this video up. 3 contacts on the new antenna.
Kilo India 5, something.